In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudflare account step by step. This process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to follow along closely to ensure everything is handled correctly. Whether you're consolidating accounts or moving to a different service, removing your Cloudflare account takes just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to your Cloudflare account homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Once you're on the homepage, look for the profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or thumbnail image at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this profile icon to proceed to the next step. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Profile. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal account settings. It's worth noting that this section gives you access to all your account management options, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this area. Now that you're in your profile, look for the Delete User option. This might seem intimidating at first, but rest assured that until you confirm your action, no changes will be made. Click on Delete User, and you will see a pop-up asking you to confirm your action. It's crucial to double-check at this point that you're deleting the correct account, as this action is irreversible. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete User again in the confirmation pop-up. This extra step ensures that you're aware of the decision you're making and avoids accidental account deletion. Next, Cloudflare will prompt you to re-enter your account email and password. This step is an added layer of security to verify your identity. Carefully enter these details, taking your time to ensure they've been input correctly. Once you've done this, you'll see another confirmation dialog. With your email and password entered, you hit the final stretch. Click the Delete User button once more to complete the process. This final click will permanently delete your Cloudflare account, so make absolutely certain that this is your intended action. And there you go! You've now successfully deleted your Cloudflare account. Always remember that account deletion is permanent and any associated data with this account will be gone as well. If you ever decide to use Cloudflare services again, you'll be starting from scratch with a new account. Thank you for joining me today, and hopefully this guide made the process simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.